The aim of the drill was to actually test the cooperation between the national authorities, the neighboring companies, and of course ourselves. Advantage of having such a machine is that we can have a clear picture, optical and thermal, from the site, and thus we can communicate better with the authorities and our central offices, not based only on audio communication, but on having a picture, and when we have a thermal picture, we have data as well about the magnitude of the incident. The tethered drone gives us the capability of flying for more than the battery life, meaning half an hour. So in reality, in our preparation and actually in the drill in question, the drone was flying continuously. Having a drone is an asset that can aid us in making the right decisions on time.